film because like what like scandal anyway. My question is, especially for Sophia and of course Ruru, what was the experience like working with the great Dennis Trillo?
Wow, yeah.
Working with Sir Dennis, I was actually really starstruck because I've always been a fan of Sir Dennis's acting. Pag sinabi mo Dennis Trillo, you already know that he's a really great actor. Ang ganda ng mga movies na gawa niya, even series. So, nung naka-eksena ko siya, like, I was too stunned to speak. Obviously, I already was going to speak. Pero alam mo yung even during rehearsals, the blocking, like, this is starstruck talaga ako. And even during rehearsals, parang 100% agad yung emotions niya. So, mas ginanahan ko talaga na naliman talaga yung emotions ko. Kasi parang, oh my God, grabe talaga si Sir Dennis. So, very nice yung emotions niya. So, it was really a fun experience. And sana next time, longer, more scenes. Kasi talaga scene namin, si Sir Dennis.
Yeah, I feel like he's the Tom Hanks of the Philippines. He's that. Grabe, such a brilliant actor. He's very professional. Like, sa totoo lang, during the filming of the entire film, never kaming nag-uusap sa set. Like, pagdating namin sa set, as Dom and as Gonzaga. Pero never, like, siguro sa umaga, like, hi, hello, but after that, wala na. And he told me that hindi pa siya kumakain sa buong 18 days na shoot kami ng pelikula. Fruits lang daw yung food intake niya dahil para ma-feel daw niya yung gutom ng isang prisoner. So, ganon siya ka-dedicated sa trabaho niya, sa craft niya, and you know, it's an honor and privilege to work with this kind of actor. And sabi ko nga, habang buhay kong dadalhin yung pribilehiyo na nakatrabaho kong sa Dennis Trillo. At I want to share, of course, yung experience ngayon o ano man yung natutunan ko sa kanya sa younger generation of actors.